Welcome to our comparison video, where we delve into the details of two popular financial management tools, Ava and Credit Sesame. Both these tools offer unique features and services that aim to improve your financial well-being. In this video, we'll compare these tools based on various factors to help you decide which one suits your needs best. Ava offers a wide variety of features, including budgeting, expense tracking, and personalized financial advice. It's a comprehensive tool that covers all aspects of financial management. On the other hand, Credit Sesame focuses primarily on credit score monitoring, offering free credit score updates and advice on improving your credit. It also provides identity theft protection. While Ava operates on a subscription-based model with different pricing tiers based on the features you choose, Credit Sesame offers both a free version and premium plans. The free version of Credit Sesame provides basic credit monitoring, while the premium plans include advanced credit insights and identity theft protection. Ava's user interface is clean, intuitive, and easy to navigate. It offers a seamless experience, making financial management a breeze. Credit Sesame, while also user-friendly, focuses more on providing detailed credit information. Therefore, it might seem a bit overwhelming to users who are new to credit monitoring. Ava can integrate with a wide range of financial institutions and apps, providing a holistic view of your finances. Credit Sesame, however, does not offer many integrations. Its primary focus is on credit monitoring, and thus, it mainly integrates with credit bureaus. Both Ava and Credit Sesame perform efficiently in their respective domains. Ava excels in providing comprehensive financial management tools, while Credit Sesame excels in delivering in-depth credit information. They both offer quick and accurate insights into your financial situation. Security is a top priority for both Ava and Credit Sesame. They use advanced encryption technology to ensure your data is safe. Credit Sesame takes it a step further by also offering identity theft protection, which is a significant advantage. While both tools have their strengths, Ava emerges as the winner for its comprehensive financial management features. Its seamless user experience, wide range of integrations, and efficient performance make it a reliable tool. However, if your primary need is credit monitoring, Credit Sesame could be a better choice. Thank you for watching our comparison video. We hope it has provided you with valuable insights into Ava and Credit Sesame. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more such comparisons. Stay tuned for more.